At Restoration Solutions by Elite, we help property owners recover when it matters most. From emergency response and detailed assessments to water, fire, and mold restoration, our team is committed to protecting your property and restoring it the right way. We also provide structural drying, flooring and tile restoration, and full reconstruction services, including kitchen and bathroom remodeling. With fast response, clear communication, and quality workmanship, we bring your property back to life. Restoration Solutions by Elite.